Hi, I'm Laura Cassidy, and I want to share how I make my bleach for my laundry. It's safe, which is really important. If you're buying bleach in the store, it is so stinking toxic. Anybody with any type of breathing problems should not be anywhere near bleach. Do you know that on a warning on the bottle, it says that you should wear goggles, gloves, long sleeves, and a mask, especially if you're using it indoors. The mask probably isn't needed outdoors. However, why would people be wanting to use that when there's alternatives that are safe, right? So easy to do. So I just use an empty miniature red bottle that I have. I love these bottles. They're too beautiful to throw out anyway. And what I do is I take 3% peroxide and I'm going to pour this in. Oh, I'm going to add a few other things. I do this outside because I'm not too neat. I don't worry about getting neat. I just worry about getting it done. I don't know about you, but okay. So I've got a 20, I think this is a 24-ounce bottle, and the peroxide is 32 ounces. So I'm shy of the neck, as you can see, for the simple reason that I am going to add a cap of Thieves Household Cleaner to this. This is just good for cleaning everything. That's how I measure it up. Alright, so I've got a cap of Thieves Household Cleaner in there. Next, I'm going to add 30 drops of lemon essential oil. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 16, 7, 28, 29, 30. So 30 drops of lemon. Now, one thing I have been known to do, and you can choose if you want to or not, it just is right now, I do not have fresh lemon. I usually buy a big bag at Costco, and I'm out currently, but I needed bleach, so we're going to make it without it this time around, and it works good either way. But if I have fresh lemon, I will squeeze 2 of them, and I run it through mesh because I don't want the fibers, the fiber in my bleach. So I'll run it through a real fine mesh so I don't get any seeds or any of the pulp in there. And I will add that to this. Now, some people will add lemon juice out of that bottle. I don't. I know it's toxic and I want nothing to do with that. So if I don't have fresh lemon, I leave it out. This is it. If I needed to drink this, yeah, I don't know if swallowing a bunch of peroxide is good, but at least I'm not damaging my lungs or my skin and causing other health issues. So all I do is I mix this and I take, I fill up my each compartment in my washing machine. Bam, it's done. I can breathe around it. It is safe. The other thing is, if you need extra oomph and cleaning power for scrubbing something down, for example, you've got the grout on your tile, in the tile on your floor, or whether it be the grout in your shower, what I do is I take plain old baking soda. I will add my bleach mix to that to get it pasty, and I'll use an old toothbrush and I'll get down into that grout, and it works beautiful. So there you go. DIY bleach that will not damage your lungs. Blessings, may you have wellness, purpose, and abundance.